Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2006-2008 Lincoln Mark LT? It's a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through the process, saving you time and money compared to dealership programming, which can cost $50 to $100. As of December 2025, this method remains a reliable way to pair your key fob. Key fob programming uses radio frequency (RF) technology. The fob transmits a signal to your truck's receiver, located usually in the driver's door or under the dash. By cycling the ignition, you put the vehicle into learning mode, syncing the fob's unique ID with the truck's body control module, BCM. Here are the step-by-step programming instructions for your key fob. First, insert your key into the ignition. Next, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Within 5 seconds, press the unlock button on the key fob. Then cycle the key back to on and press the lock button. Repeat these steps for additional key fobs you wish to program. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm success. Always ensure your vehicle is in park during key fob programming to prevent accidental movement. Keep all doors closed and ensure no other keys are nearby to avoid syncing errors with unintended fobs. The vehicle's system can typically handle programming up to 4 key fobs for remote functions. The programming process is time-sensitive, usually taking 10 to 30 seconds per key fob. Follow steps precisely within this window. Use a multimeter to verify the key fob battery voltage. CR232 cells should measure approximately 3 volts for proper function. If pairing fails, start by resetting the system. Disconnect the vehicle battery for 10 minutes to clear any temporary issues. Next, check for body control module faults using an OBD2 scanner to identify any electronic issues. Common problems include battery corrosion in the key fob or a faulty BCM relay. Remember, fresh batteries are essential for a strong signal and improved range. Real-world examples show the effectiveness of DIY key fob programming. Many users on forums like FordF150.net successfully program their fobs after battery replacement in under 5 minutes. A Reddit user in 2024 saved $80 by handling the task themselves after a dealership failed due to a faulty BCM relay. Additionally, a popular YouTube video by Auto DIY Pro demonstrates the process on a 2006 model, including fixing corroded fob contacts with alcohol. Certified Ford mechanics state that DIY programming is safe and effective if your vehicle's electronics are working. A 2025 Automotive News poll shows that 68% of Ford owners prefer DIY for cost savings, with a 92% success rate for key fob tasks on pre-2010 models. Be cautious if you have an aftermarket alarm system, as it can interfere with the process. While new vehicles are moving towards digital keys and phone-based unlocking, DIY key fob programming remains relevant for older models like the 2006-2008 Lincoln Mark LT. As technology evolves, look for potential aftermarket kits for upgrading to passive entry. But keep in mind that innovation for older models will be limited. For now, DIY is still the most cost-effective solution.